Okay, and I wanted to show you my Icom antenna. I've got it mounted on a mast here that I got at Menards. It's just conduit, and another one sliding into it. So all I have to do when I get ready to travel is take this pin out and lower it and secure it with the pin. When I get to where I'm going, just raise it up, secure it with the pin, and it's ready to go. It's pretty simple. It's been working really good. I've got some wires I got to take care of up there. I hooked it up temporarily to make sure everything was working, and I'm going to go back and splice them, make it look a little bit better and seal it up better. But so far it's been working great. Got the egg beater up there. It's a 2-foot it's a 1-foot mask, and yeah, about 1 foot, and then the egg beater. So with the egg beater about 2 feet, and then the whip on top, and I believe that's boy, it doesn't look like a 3-foot whip, but it sure does work good. Got the coax and the control wires, power going underneath the camper. It comes out the other side, and it goes to a controller. Comes up this side and into a hole I drilled. And that hole's underneath the seat. I've got another hole there I drilled. I need to tidy this up, but comes out and then goes up to the radio. Coax goes to the radio, and the power and that's secured down there so it doesn't move around. And it's basically just a rocker switch. This is not working. I have to figure out why that's not working, but it doesn't make any difference. I know pretty much where to travel with it. To go up, and if I go up in frequency, I just hit the up button. If I go down in frequency, I just hit the down button until I get a good SWR, and it doesn't travel very much. There's a plunger inside that travels, so it's not like a screwdriver antenna. The solar up here, the LCD got 82 watts, and 13.5 volts on the battery. The solar panels are laying flat up there. So I've been running the Breakfast Club net, and I got some people over there with dogs running the Breakfast Club net, and boy, it's been working great. Couldn't be happier with it.
We'll talk to everybody later. Thanks again, K9STV.
Okay, thanks, Jerry. You got your 53, and yeah, we're right at about 50 degrees right now. I'm at Jefferson County Park campground here in Fairfield, Iowa, and a really nice morning. The sun's coming up, and I've got a pretty good copy on just about everybody. Right, nothing heard. K0PIR with the Breakfast Club, looking for check-ins.
WB6AMY. At 9LEN checking in. Whiskey Bravo 9. Whiskey Bravo 9. Victor Golf Oscar. Alpha Charlie 9 Lima Victor. Uniform. November 9. Delta Lima Mama. AC 9 LV.
Okay, let me tell you who I got. WB6AMY, really good copy on you, Cal. Come on in for a cup and stand by Lynn.
Well, good morning, Rich. Cindy May from Tyler, Minnesota. 53 degrees, going up to about 70, I believe. Going to be a nice day when it clears off. It's cloudy, but no wind. And yesterday it was a nice day. It moved along. That was about it. So I'll get out of here. You got quite a few there to check in.
Lynn, good morning. Come on in for a cup and stand by YNE Wayne.
Good morning, Rich. And I'll say good morning to Wayne. and my southern neighbors, John and Jerry, and all out here at 9LEN. Kind of a rainy Janesville, Wisconsin. Hopefully we'll see some sun later on today.
Later. WB9VGO. Good morning, Bob. Come on in and stand by. VCU, Steve.
Okay, very good morning to you, Rich. K0BIR in the Breakfast Club, WB9VGO, Bob in Downers Grove, Illinois. Good copy on you from the campground, Rich. Coming in real nice this morning. And the band isn't in bad shape, at least at my end. I'm not hearing a lot of static crashes or anything. Right now, got overcast. I think it was a little drizzly overnight, as if we need more rain, but got a temperature right now of 50.1.
K0PIR, portable, looking for check-ins.
K0PIR, WB0OUX.
Hey, good morning, Martin. WB0OUX. Come on in for a cup, Martin.
Morning, Rich. Just wanted to let you know you've got a audacious signal down here in East Central Missouri. Just was wondering, what are that tree running for station there, Rich? It's portable. It sounds really good.
I've got my Icom 7300 operating off the battery bank, and the antenna is a HiQ 580 mobile antenna mounted on the back of the camper, and it's a 5-inch coil, 10 through 80 meters, mounted on the back on a mast. It's up above the top of the camper, but boy, I'm hearing everybody pretty well. It's pretty good antenna.
Hey, Rich. Good morning to you. Your name is Frank, and we're located here in West Chicago. Just working on some radios this morning. I got a desk full of Atlas 210Xs over here. You sound terrific over here.
N0VCU, Steve, good morning. Come on in and stand by LV John.
Yeah, good morning, Rich. Good morning to the rest of the Breakfast Club. Boy, Bob's sounding good in here, and the rest of the guys, too. And your signal's up and down, but that's the band, Rich. Good copy on you, though. Hope you're copying me okay.
Later. Let's see, I got WB0OAF on the list. I got KG0KP and KD0QDI. Anybody else?
KDFL.
Stop, AC9LB. Good morning, John. Come on in and stand by. KU9S, Jerry.
Okay, Rich. Good morning. K0PIR and the Breakfast Club. This is John, AC9LB, here in Rockford, Illinois. We got a rainy, wet, well, I guess it would be wet if it's raining. 52.7, 52.7. Supposed to get up to about 64 here. Rich, I'm always amazed that when you're mobile there, that antenna you got in your rig there is pretty fantastic. You've got a great signal on here. Everywhere you've been mobile there, that antenna is really working and doing the job for you. So hats off to you for putting that together there.
Jerry KU9S, good morning. I had a real good copy on you. Come on in and stand by check-ins.
Hey, good morning, Rich. Hey, good morning to Bob, Wayne, and everybody else out here this morning. Anyhow, you got a good signal in here this morning. I don't know exactly where you're at. I know you was over at the Iowa City guys' place the other day. And I don't look like you were camped out there. Pretty good facility there. I don't think you're still there, but anyhow, you got a good signal this morning. Rich, take care. God bless, and everybody else have a good day. K0PIR, Kilo Uniform 9 Sierra. WB0OFO Farmer. Hey, Andy.